Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm feeling very happy, actually. The weather is nice, and I'm excited about our topic.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm happy too. I had a really good morning.
Good morning is always a nice way to start the day.
It is. And speaking of good mornings and happy feelings, that's actually our topic for today.
Oh, yes. What is our topic?
Today we're talking about happy moments. How to talk about your happy moments in English.
Happy moments. I love this topic. Everyone has happy moments.
They do. Big happy moments and small happy moments. And it's important to be able to share them.
I agree. Sharing happiness makes it bigger.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Tom. But before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to Everyday English Lab. Click that subscribe button.
And share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Yes, share the happiness.
Thank you all so much. Okay, Tom, are you ready to talk about happy moments?
I am very ready. Let's start.
Perfect. So, Tom, let me ask you a question. What was a happy moment for you this week?
This week? Let me think. Oh, I know. Yesterday I talked to my old friend on the phone.
Oh, that's nice. An old friend from school?
Yes, exactly. His name is David. He lives in another city now, so we don't see each other often.
I see. And how long did you talk?
We talked for almost an hour, maybe 50 minutes.
Wow, that's a long conversation. What did you talk about?
We talked about many things. We talked about our jobs, about movies, and we remembered old times.
Old times. That means things from the past, right?
Yes, memories from when we were younger. We remembered playing football after school. We remembered our teachers. It was very nice.
That sounds like a wonderful, happy moment. How did you feel after the phone call?
I felt so happy. I was smiling all evening. It's funny how talking to a good friend can make your whole day better.
It really can. That's a perfect example of a happy moment. And you see, everyone, Tom just described his happy moment very naturally. He said what happened, how he felt, and why it was special.
Yes, it's easy to talk about happy moments. You just say what happened.
Exactly. You can say, I felt happy when, or it was a happy moment because,
For example, I felt happy when I talked to my friend David.
or it was a happy moment because we laughed and remembered good times.
Perfect. Now, Sarah, tell me about a happy moment for you.
Okay, my happy moment was actually this morning.
This morning? What happened?
I made a perfect cup of coffee.
A perfect cup of coffee? That's a happy moment?
Yes, for me it is. You see, I love coffee. And this morning, everything was just right. The coffee was hot and dark. The smell was delicious. And when I tasted it, it was perfect.
I understand. Sometimes small things can be very happy moments.
Exactly. It's not always big things like a birthday party or a vacation. Sometimes it's just a perfect cup of coffee or a beautiful sunrise.
I like that. Small happy moments are important too.
They are. And we can practice English by describing these small moments. For example, the coffee smelled amazing. It tasted delicious. It made me smile.
See? Simple sentences. Easy to say and very natural.
Yes. And these small happy moments can make our day so much better.
I agree. So we have small happy moments like Sarah's coffee and bigger happy moments like talking to old friends.
That's right. Now, let's talk about some bigger happy moments. Tom, can you tell us about a very big happy moment from your life?
Oh, a very big happy moment. Let me think. Yes. A very big happy moment for me was when I visited Paris.
Paris? The beautiful city in France?
Yes, it was 3 years ago. It was my first time in France.
Oh, your first time. That's exciting. What did you see?
I saw so many things. I saw the Eiffel Tower. I walked along the river. I ate French bread and cheese. Everything was beautiful.
That sounds wonderful. What was the happiest part?
The happiest part was seeing the Eiffel Tower at night. It was all lit up with lights. It was sparkling like stars.
Sparkling. That means shining with lots of little lights.
Yes, exactly. I stood there and I looked at it and I thought, I can't believe I'm really here. This is real.
How did you feel?
I felt so excited. I felt like a child. I took maybe 200 photos.
200 photos of the Eiffel Tower?
Maybe not 200, but many, many photos. From every angle. Close up, far away, from the left, from the right.
That's wonderful, Tom. So this was a dream come true for you?
A dream come true. Yes, that's the perfect phrase. It was a dream come true.
This is a very useful phrase, everyone. A dream come true means something you wanted for a very long time finally happened.
Visiting Paris was something I wanted since I was a boy. So when it happened, it was a dream come true.
Perfect example. Let's practice. Everyone, repeat after Tom. It was a dream come true.
It was a dream come true.
Excellent. Now, we learned some good phrases. Let's review. We can say, I felt happy when, or it made me smile, or it was a dream come true.
These are very natural ways to talk about happy moments.
They are. Now, let's talk about happy moments with other people. For example, when your friend has good news.
Ah, yes. This is very important. When someone tells you a happy story, you need to respond.
Exactly. What can we say, Tom?
We can say, I'm so happy for you, or that's wonderful news.
Yes. And if it's something special, like a new job or a wedding, we can say, Congratulations.
Congratulations is a very important word.
It is. Can you give us an example, Tom?
Of course. Last month, my sister called me. She said, Tom, I got the new job. I got the position.
Oh, that's exciting. What did you say?
I said, Congratulations. That's amazing news. I'm so happy for you.
Perfect. And how did she feel?
She was very happy. She said, Thank you. Let's celebrate. Let's go to dinner.
Celebrate. This is another important word. To celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
Yes, we went to a nice restaurant. We ate pasta and we talked about her new job. It was a celebration.
That's a perfect example. So when something good happens, we celebrate.
We can celebrate big things like a new job or small things like finishing a difficult book.
I like that. Every happy moment deserves a little celebration.
Even if it's just a cup of tea and a smile?
Exactly. Now, Tom, let me ask you, what is something that always makes you happy? Every time, no matter what?
Something that always makes me happy? I think it's music.
Music? What kind of music?
All kinds, but especially old rock music. When I hear my favorite songs, I feel so good. I start singing even if I'm walking on the street.
You sing on the street?
Sometimes, yes. When no one is around or in my car, I sing very loud in my car.
That's wonderful. Music can change our mood so quickly.
It can. 1 minute I'm tired or stressed, and then my favorite song comes on, and suddenly I'm happy and energized. That's the power of music. What about you, Sarah? What always makes you happy?
For me, it's my garden. I have a small garden at my house. When I see the flowers blooming or the tomatoes growing, I feel so happy.
A garden. That's very peaceful.
It is. There's something special about taking care of plants and watching them grow. It makes me feel calm and happy.
I can understand that. Nature is very powerful.
It is. So, everyone listening, think about what always makes you happy. Maybe it's your pet. Maybe it's cooking. Maybe it's talking to your family.
These things are like happiness tools. When you feel sad, you can use them.
Happiness tools. I love that, Tom. That's a great way to describe it.
Thank you. So, if I feel sad, I can listen to music. That's my happiness tool.
And I can go to my garden. That's my happiness tool.
Perfect. Now let's talk about happy moments at work or at school. These are important too.
Oh, yes. Very important. Can you give us an example, Tom?
Sure. When I finished my first big presentation at work, I felt so relieved and so happy.
Relieved. That's a good word. It means the stress is gone and you feel light and free.
Exactly. I worked on that presentation for 2 weeks. I was nervous, but when I finished and my boss said, "Good job, Tom," I felt amazing.
That's a wonderful achievement, and I'm sure you were proud.
Very proud. It was hard work, but I did it.
And for students, maybe finishing a difficult exam or getting a good grade is a happy moment.
Yes, absolutely. Or understanding a difficult lesson in English class.
Like understanding this podcast right now.
Yes, if you understand us right now, that is a happy moment. You should feel proud.
We are proud of you, everyone listening. You're doing great.
You know, Sarah, I think another happy moment that many people have is receiving a surprise.
Oh, yes. Surprises can be wonderful. What kind of surprises?
Well, for example, an unexpected phone call from someone you love, or receiving a gift when it's not your birthday.
Those are lovely surprises. I remember once, my friend sent me flowers just because she was thinking about me. No special reason.
That's so nice. How did you feel?
I felt so happy and loved. It was such a surprise. I wasn't expecting anything, so it made the moment even more special.
Surprises are like that. They're happy moments we didn't plan for.
Exactly. Or sometimes you find money in your old jacket pocket. That's a happy surprise.
Oh, yes, I love that. You put on your winter coat for the first time, and you find $20 in the pocket.
It's your own money, but it feels like a gift.
It does. It's like finding treasure.
So, surprises, big or small, can create happy moments. And we can say, I was so surprised. Or, what a nice surprise.
Let's practice that. Everyone, repeat, what a nice surprise.
What a nice surprise. Good. Now, another type of happy moment is achieving a personal goal.
Personal goals. Yes, these are very important.
For example, if you have a goal to exercise more and you go to the gym 3 times this week, that's a happy moment.
It is. You set a goal, you worked for it, and you achieved it.
How does that feel, Tom?
It feels fantastic. It feels like you have power and control over your life.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. I had a goal last year to read 20 books.
20 books? That's a big goal.
It was, but I made a plan. I read a little bit every night before bed.
And did you reach your goal?
Yes, I did. In December, I finished my 20th book. I felt so proud and so happy.
That's wonderful, Sarah. You should be proud. 20 books is amazing.
Thank you. And everyone listening, if you have a goal to improve your English and you listen to this podcast today, that's progress. That's a happy moment.
Absolutely. Every small step towards your goal is worth celebrating.
Now, let's practice some useful sentences. Everyone, please repeat after us.
I felt very happy when it made me smile.
That's wonderful news.
I'm so happy for you.
It was a dream come true. Excellent. These are all natural, useful phrases for talking about happy moments.
Now, let's learn some important vocabulary words related to happiness.
Good idea. The first word is proud.
Proud means you feel good about something you did or something someone else did.
Can you give us an example, Tom?
Yes, I was proud when I learned to swim. It was difficult, but I practiced, and finally I could swim. I felt very proud.
That's a great example. You can also feel proud of other people. For example, I am proud of my daughter. She works very hard at school.
Yes, we can feel proud of ourselves or proud of others.
Let's practice. Everyone say, I am proud.
I am proud.
Good. The next word is achievement.
An achievement is something you did successfully, something that was a little difficult.
For example, finishing university is a big achievement.
Or learning a new language is an achievement.
Yes, and for everyone listening today, understanding this podcast is an achievement.
That's true. So you should feel proud of your achievement.
See how the two words go together? You feel proud of your achievement.
Let's say it together, achievement.
Achievement. Excellent. Our next phrase we already learned. Dream come true.
This phrase is for very big, happy moments. Something you wanted for a long time finally happens.
Like Tom visiting Paris. That was a dream come true.
Or for a football fan, going to the World Cup might be a dream come true.
It's for special big moments, not for everyday things.
Right. My morning coffee is nice, but it's not a dream come true.
Exactly. Let's practice. It was a dream come true.
It was a dream come true.
The next word is celebrate.
To celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
When do people celebrate, Tom?
People celebrate birthdays, weddings, graduations, new jobs.
How do they celebrate?
They can have a party, go to a restaurant, buy a cake, or just call their friends to share the news.
So celebrating is marking a happy moment in a special way.
Yes, exactly. Let's celebrate. Now, everyone listening, can you make a sentence with one of these words? Try it.
Yes, practice is very important. You can say the sentence out loud right now, or you can write it down.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Well, Tom, we've talked about so many things today.
We have. We talked about small, happy moments like your perfect coffee.
And big happy moments, like your trip to Paris. And we learned important vocabulary words like proud, achievement, dream come true, and celebrate.
This was a very happy conversation.
It was. Talking about happiness makes me even happier.
Me too. It's like a circle. The more we talk about happy things, the happier we feel.
That's so true. And for everyone listening, we hope this episode made you happy too.
We do, and we hope you learned some useful English phrases.
Before we finish, we have a question for you. This is our question of the day.
Oh, yes. What is the question, Sarah?
The question is, what was a happy moment for you this week?
Yes, please tell us. What made you happy this week?
It can be something big or something small, like my perfect coffee.
Maybe you ate delicious food, or maybe you watched a beautiful sunset, or maybe you learned a new English word.
Any happy moment is perfect. Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read all the comments. We really do.
We love hearing about your lives and your happy moments.
It makes us happy when you share your happiness with us.
So please write a comment. You can write a simple sentence. For example, my happy moment was walking in the park.
And if you want an extra challenge, try to use one of our new vocabulary words in your comment.
Yes, you could write, I was proud when, or I celebrated.
But it's okay if you don't. Just writing one sentence is excellent.
We also want to say thank you. Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you so much. It's a happy moment for us to talk to you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you want more English lessons, please subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Click that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss an episode.
Remember, learning English should be fun. Look for happy moments to practice.
Talk about your day in English. Write a diary in English. Describe your happy moments in English.
Every small practice is an achievement.
Well said, Tom. Okay, everyone. That's all the time we have for today.
Thank you again for listening.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep sharing your happy moments.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.